In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Google Sheets and set a custom currency format. Whether you're managing personal finances, organizing business expenses, or simply keeping a record of international transactions, knowing how to adjust currency settings in Google Sheets is a highly useful skill. Let's delve into the steps to customize your currency format seamlessly. First things first, open up your Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets in your browser and selecting the spreadsheet you want to work with. Alternatively, if you're starting fresh, click on Blank to create a new sheet. Once your sheet is open, take a moment to orient yourself with the data you've inputted or plan to input, particularly the cells requiring a change in currency formatting. Next, you're going to select the cell range that needs the new currency format. Let's say your data spans from cell B2 to B13. Simply click on cell B2, and while holding down your mouse button, drag it down to cell B13. This action will highlight the entire range, indicating the specific column or set of data points you're going to format. Once you've selected your cells, head over to the top menu bar and click on Format. Upon doing so, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, look for the option that says Custom Currency. Selecting this will open another window where you can bridge your data with the exact currency specifications you require. In the new dialog box, you'll find a search field designed to make your task easier. Type in Chinese yuan and wait for the search results to populate. This method ensures you're choosing the precise currency you're aiming for, avoiding any errors in currency symbol or format. When you see Chinese yuan pop up as a search result, click on it. Clicking will apply the currency format to your selected cells, but there's still a bit more to ensure precision in data presentation. Below the search field, you will see options on how to display the yuan. Look for the format that appears as CNY YYZN 1000 euros and click on it. This format clearly displays the Chinese yuan sign, along with the numerical value formatted neatly with commas and decimal points. Finally, once you've selected your desired currency and format style, click on Apply. This step officially enacts the changes you've carefully set up, ensuring your data now reflects the specified currency format. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed way to change and customize currency formats in Google Sheets. Now you can confidently handle financial data with ease and precision, no matter which currency you're working with. Make sure to save your spreadsheet, preserving all the changes you've implemented. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in navigating your way through Google Sheets currency settings.